Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yeada here. For those of you that are new, if you are new on this channel, I do lifestyle, home decor, DIY, and hair videos. So if that's content that you love to watch, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell link. That way you are notified every single time that I post new content. So today's video, y'all see the hair is popping. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got these loose beach wave wavy hair look. It's really cramps, but yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this hairstyle on today. So if you're interested in seeing how I did it from straight hair to this, then go ahead and keep watching. All right, y'all, so as you can see, my hair is straight right now. The roots is not as straight because of the heat outside. It's hot. It's really hot for this hairstyle, but I want to do it. I've been wanting to do some crimps for a little minute. So first thing I'm gonna do is just section the hair off and work my way around just as I would if I was flat ironing my hair. So I have a little scrunchie here to pull the hair off. And then of course, y'all already know, if I look off to the side, that's because my mirror is here. So the crimps that I'm going to be using, this is by the brand Beadhead or TIGI. I don't know. I got these from Target. And they have a high and low little dial here that you can move. So y'all know me, I got it on high because I need these to be right. So I also like how it has an open and lock button. So when it's locked, so when you close it, jeez, okay. So when you close them, you can lock them and then they stay closed. And then when you're ready to use it, you hit the open button and then they open up. So yeah, so I'm gonna be using these, and then I'm gonna be using what's left of my OGX. This is the Healing Dry Oil. So I'm not gonna spray too much because I don't have a lot. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in the hair. And just brush through with my wig brush. Now, when you're doing the crimps, you could just section it off into small pieces or however much you want to do. It's your preference. I'm just going to be using a clamp here to clamp the hair off to the side. So, here we go. You just want to take the hair and you want to put it into the crimp. You don't want to start too far up because once you clamp it, it's going to move up anyway. So we are going to get a little beach wave. And then you want to leave it on for like a few seconds. Nothing crazy. Like, y'all see that? Okay. So when you move down, you want to kind of take it. How can I explain this? So the ridges of the crimp, you want it to go into the next section. Like, you don't want to redo the same part again. So you're just going to move down a section. Let it sit for like 2 to 3 seconds and literally like move it down. Same thing. Until you get all the way down to the bottom. right, y'all, so I had to do the back off camera because I needed to see and I didn't want to be twisted to the back or whatever. So I just have this piece left. This is how it's looking so far. I think it looks so cute. So cute, y'all. All right, so I'm just gonna do this section and then we are gonna be done. Oh, by the way, y'all, I did have to turn the heat up just a little bit because the waves was coming out a little too like loose for me. So I did turn it all the way up to high. I don't know what the high setting is, but I know like when I flat iron my hair, I usually put my flat iron on like 400, like 375 to 400, 425 sometimes. But yeah, so I don't know what the high temperature is because it just has a higher low. So FYI, just so y'all know. So you literally just want to follow the humps. Like once you have the one hump, you want that to go low and then the next piece to go high. So on the crimper, if that makes sense. I really hope, let me see if I can get closer. So you see where that hump is at? I'm gonna move the crimper here and then grab. So then the next wave would just flow. So same thing. And then move over just literally like an inch, if that. Alright, y'all, so last part for this section here, I am going to do it this way. That way I can flip it backwards and I won't have this little hump like you can see on this side. So take the crimpers and go in this direction. And be careful too, y'all. I know I said it in the beginning, but I almost burnt my little scalp. So pay attention to what you're doing. Right, y'all. Yes, I love the waves. Your girl did a good job. I am gonna put a little something on the edges, so I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I had to light a little edge, but yes, I love the hair. I think it looks so cute. Here's the back. Oh, oh, so cute. So yeah, y'all, this is going to wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little hair tutorial. If so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below letting me know if you guys want to see more videos like these. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Join the Glamour Squad. Follow me on Instagram at glamour_chick and TikTok at Yeada_B. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.